Hello and welcome to a new lesson. In this lesson we will learn how to configure a network card. You will open the Virtualbox and then you will highlight whatever virtual machine you want and then press here on settings, and then from here you will choose network and click on it. Of course here I am on adapter 1. If you want to add any other network card, you have adapter 2, 3 and 4. You have up to 4 network cards, but I will be in adapter 1. From here, attached to, I will choose bridged adapter, and then the name is the name of the network card that you will choose. Here I will choose this network card, and then from here advanced there are some other options. From here, for example, you can change the MAC address to whatever you want, and if you press on here it will keep on changing it for you. And then to finish you will press OK. And by this lesson we have learned how to configure a network card. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.